Corporations, governments, and cyber criminals all want your private data. Be sure to protect it with IPVanish. Link is in the description. Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here coming at you with another video. Before we get started, I am going to ask a quick favor. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you are up to date with all the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news. Now on to the video. Coinbase has moved $5 billion worth of crypto on record. Major cryptocurrency exchange and wallet Coinbase recently made what it claims is the largest transfer of crypto on record, a company blog post reports December 19th. According to the post, 5% of all Bitcoin, 8% of all Ethereum, and 25% of all Litecoin, along with many other assets, were moved to a new cold storage infrastructure in what the firm believes is the largest crypto migration on record. Coinbase reports that last week, the firm completed an on-blockchain migration of approximately $5 billion as valued last week, so it's gone up since then, of cryptocurrency from Generation 3 to Generation 4 of our cold storage infrastructure. The latest storage system, which the company reportedly uses for its cold storage, begins with a, quote, highly controlled and audited key generation process and continues with a globally distributed key storage and transaction approval system. According to Coinbase, this system was originally in place for its custody service, which launched in July, as Cointelegraph reported. Also, it should be noted that Coinbase has also launched an educational project that lets users earn cryptocurrency as they learn about it. So Coinbase really at the end there with the educational project, really investing in the future of crypto. I know we get mad at Coinbase because they're biased against certain coins, and I get that, and they deserve to be criticized, but they're not all evil. They are not all evil. Often in life, things are not always black and white. There are shades of gray. Coinbase is that shade of gray. They are not perfect by any means, but they're investing in the future of crypto by investing in education, and they are a decent exchange in the sense that they are moving large amounts of money safely, even though we would like to see some more coins added to their retail exchange. Next up, investors are still interested in cryptocurrency, but crave more education. So this kind of goes in line with what Coinbase is doing now. It works together perfectly. Cryptocurrency may be down, but at the time of this video, it's not. We'll get into that in a second. But according to a new study by eToro, the online-based trading company, it is now. In fact, investors are still interested in trading digital tokens despite a decline in the price all year, with education the biggest roadblock to more investor adoption. Quote, people still associate crypto with something that can generate alpha, said Guy Hirsch, U.S. Managing Director at eToro. In one sense, people have FOMO, fear of missing out if there's ever another rally, and on the other hand, people want to understand how they can do it. Now, this is actually one of the main reasons I started this YouTube channel, because I wanted to educate people on blockchain. I wanted to educate people on cryptocurrency, and I felt like a lot of other channels were doing an okay job, but there was a lot of channels putting out bad information, not really talking about the fundamentals, only doing price predictions. And that's why I started this channel, because I wanted to basically, yes, I'll do some fun stuff, I'll do some price predictions, I'll have some fun, but I really wanted to focus on the fundamentals, on actual use cases, actual businesses using different cryptocurrencies, actual adoption growing. So I definitely agree with this article, because I feel like there still is so much more education that is needed. The majority of people do not own cryptocurrency yet. We want to change that. Even if we got to a point where 10% of people own cryptocurrency, that would still be a huge plus. Next up, the markets today, another late December rally. Bitcoin up almost 10% on the day, rising above the $4,000 level. XRP up 6% on the day, not too bad, up to 37 cents, approaching that 40-cent mark. And Ethereum up to $115, up 14% on the day. Bitcoin Cash has been surging as of late. If you are a Bitcoin Cash holder, you've probably made a decent amount of money, especially if you bought on that dip. because it is up a lot lately. The biggest gainer on the day is Crypto.com chain with 54%, and then Bitcoin Cash with 44%, followed by Stratus with 39%. Biggest loser today is MobileGo with 16.21%, total market cap at 135 billion US dollars, and Bitcoin dominance at 53.6%. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it, and I'll catch you next time. Have a great day. Corporations, governments, and cyber criminals all want your private data. Be sure to protect it with IPVanish. Link is in the description.